Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Goldas Films, and this is Vignesh. And I'm sure you're definitely liking the new view, and you guys know that we upgraded to the 390 Adventure, and it looks amazing. The feel of riding this bike is just great. I'm loving it. Today is a Saturday morning and I'm just heading out on a small ride, probably 200 kilometers of a ride this is going to be, and it's not more of a destination oriented. I wanted to do a 500 kilometer ride, but we are almost 689 kilometers on the Odo right now, and the first service is due at 1000 kilometers mark, and I can roughly do 100 more than the 1000, which is okay for the first service. I checked with the service center and those guys told, it's better you do not extend it too much and try to get it serviced within the 1000 or the 1100 kilometer mark. So in this video we are going to talk about why I upgraded to this little beast, and I can clearly tell you that, oh man, what a machine this is. And the weather is cold actually, which I did not expect. I thought it's going to be moderate. I haven't worn my thermal, so it is a little cold, I'm sure. Once the sun's up, it's kind of there, but yeah, it's going to warm up a little bit. So all the distance covered on the Odo is city commute, and this is the first time I'm taking this boy on a long spin. In fact, crossing the border, getting out of home, and currently I'm heading to a temple in Hosur. Yeah, I mean, this is the first ride on the KTM 390 Adventure, and wanted to keep it a little spiritual. That place is actually a nice, good temple. It's a pretty old one on a small hillock, so I'll go visit the temple, get some blessings of Lord Shiva, and continue the ride forward. 450 meters. Take right, it says, so I have to go down this flight over. மீட்டருங்களா? ஓகே, சரி சரிங்க, ஓகேண்ணா. இப்படி போகலாம்ல, ஒன் வேல தானே? சரிண்ணா, ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. டன் டன், தேங்க்ஸ். Okay, almost there. I was told to take this route. Obviously going on the wrong side, but follow the instructions of the local, they know better. Okay, here we are. Oh, Hosur city is actually big. Wow, not bad. Covered 38.6 kilometers. Look at the average, 2.8 liters for 100 kilometers. That's actually good. Well, done with the temple visit. Now the plan is to go to KRP Dam. So from here, it's 59 minutes, 63 kilometers, and I'm going to stop for breakfast somewhere in between and then head to the dam. There's the signboard, KRP Dam. Entrance 5 rupees, car, motorcycle 10 rupees. Bike? Bike stand, sir. Oh, it's separate. Oh, okay. No. Thanks, man. Okay, entry 5 rupees. Well, that's the dam. Those are the gates. And there are a lot of people fishing here. All of them are fishing. KRP stands for Krishnagiri Reservoir Project, and this dam is 10 kilometers from Krishnagiri, situated between Krishnagiri and Dharmapuri. It's built on river Tenpanai, and this project was completed in the year 1957. A lot of areas around are actually benefited by the dam. All the water here is used for irrigation. It's a nice, pleasant place. Now it's not too sunny. There are stairs which take you all the way up till the dam, so probably I'll just go peep what's there on the other side and come down. And this park is spread over 50 acres around the dam. It looks beautiful. I'm just heading to the backwater viewpoint of this dam. Let's see if I can get there. I just got off the main road there and taking this off-road trail. Okay, let's try out the off-road settings. Done. Okay, let's see. Wow, man, this looks amazing. I did mention I will tell you guys why I upgraded to the ADV 390. So yeah, first thing would be my love for the adventure motorcycles, and my personal favorite is the BMW 1250 GS, but apparently that is super expensive, which I definitely cannot afford to buy. So within 5 lakhs, this motorcycle in that price segment gives amazing features. The electronics on this machine is amazing. Now coming to the power, of course, you know, the Royal Enfield Classic has a very good lower end torque, but when it comes to highway cruising, you need to put a lot of effort on the Classic 350 on cruising, because at 80-90 the vibrations are so bad, and you know, after a few hours it just gets very tiresome. But this machine just takes it so easy. It's a cakewalk to cruise around 90, 100, 120 on this machine. It can easily do it. And again, you know, with the power, the brakes are so amazing and sharp that you can reduce the speed from 100 to a 30 or a 20 within a few seconds. Well, the power is great, the braking is great, but just one thing which I do not like, and pretty much everybody who has checked out this particular motorcycle would know, that the lower end torque is not that great. So you need to do a lot of gear shifts when you are in traffic. You are going to keep the motorcycle running at higher RPMs on lower gears. It's going to heat up the engine, and the fan turns on pretty much every time when you're in the traffic. But yeah, I think it dissipates the heat pretty well, and you don't have issues with the motorcycle turning off or anything like that. The weight is not too much, but it's a slightly taller motorcycle, but for me it's not a problem. I'm able to manage this. I'm around 5'7", 5'8". This motorcycle, after I picked up, wow, I have no words to explain. The ride quality is so amazing. It's a brilliant machine. That's about it. Yeah, it's pretty nice and sunny, and it's super hot. I think it's time to wrap up and ride back home. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care, peace.